Studying travel and tourism at Lewes College, it is a variety of subjects. It's not just defined and put into one box as travel and tourism. We study marketing, customer service, we look into resort reps, cabin crew. We have a great array of subjects that all compromise to make such a wonderful subject, travel and tourism.
The cabin crew course itself, that is, you've got 6 units and we'll be covering lots of different information with regards to how to make a PO on board the aircraft, how to carry out a safety demonstration, how to evacuate an aircraft. As you can see, we've got our lovely rig here in Lewes, so we've got our airline seats, we've got our life jackets, lots of equipment here we can have around and play around with.
I find getting into college quite easy actually, because me and my friend both sort of each day driving, so it's quite nice to drive here, and the parking's fine. You've got parking right outside our building, or you can go down the end.
So I get to college on the train. It's really easy, so like 20 minutes from my house. So yeah, the station is like a 2-minute walk away from the college. So I mean, yeah, it's almost like getting in the car, to be honest. You walk to the station and then you're basically here. So
we do have a high number of students that move on to university. So those of the students that are doing the travel and tourism diploma, the extended diploma, once they complete that and they leave with their 3 A-levels, they're able to learn travel management, whether that's marketing management, events management, at a multitude of universities. I know for a couple of students this year, we've got Bath, we've got Brighton University, which is just down the road. Some people are heading up to Nottingham, some people are heading up to Swansea. And there's loads of different universities that really cater towards the travel and tourism kind of industry as such. And then there are going to be some students that university's not really for them, so they're going to either just go straight into the industry. You could head straight up into the aviation industry. You could work at Gatwick Airport, Luton Airport, Heathrow Airport. Think about working as passenger service agents. A lot of the girls in my cabin crew classes have started applying for cabin crew positions.
So I believe that Lewes College is the best in Sussex. We have the expertise, the experience, the teachers have current knowledge, and we are a really friendly team and family. When you come to Lewes College and you come to the travel bungalow, it's kind of like a little community where the teachers, we look after you, but we also provide you with skills to look after yourselves as well. And we'll always be here to support you even when you leave college. And that's something that really stuck for me. Our team, our course leader, Gareth, he has helped me throughout my experience after college, and I think that type of support is invaluable and really took me far. And now back here to the college.
Coming from secondary school, it's so much more chill, relaxed. They're really supportive, really supportive. And they understand worries you have, and they'll listen to you. And you can just get close with them. It's like a friend.
We love our tutors because they're just amazing people. They help you when you need help. They're just always there for you. Fun, but at the same time, you know what you need to do with them.
They're more like friends than actual teachers.
My favourite module to teach in the Travel and Tourism Diploma, I teach a module about travel agents, which is really not necessarily something that's quite interesting to everyone, but I do really enjoy it. I like it. It's quite interesting to see how many different travel companies operate and work, and all the differences between online travel agents to your high street shops such as TUI. We do have a good old look into all of those kind of different aspects of the travel and tourism sector. With regards to my favourite unit for the cabin crew course, I think it's going to have to be aircraft evacuation, emergency procedures and evacuations. It's great to have a whole class all screaming brace, brace, or evacuate, evacuate.
Last year we did a trip to Virgin Atlantic base, so we learned how to go down the slide, how to do the rafts when the slides come out. and everything all like that. It was a really good day. Like you learn how like emergency landings and how everything actually is like in real life, and do emergency landings, like to shout the commands and everything as well, which is really good.
The fantastic thing about my certain situation, my circumstances, is I actually still work in the industry. I'm a customer service manager working for British Airways, based at London Gatwick, and this opportunity has come about with everything that's happened with the COVID-19 pandemic. I've been able to come back to East Sussex College and teach. So the students in the classroom are getting first-hand knowledge and first-hand information from the industry.
I now work as cabin crew for Virgin Atlantic, so still flying, and I also teach. So I'm juggling the two, but again, the information that I teach about cabin crew is relevant, up to date, especially with the COVID pandemic, with everything changing. It's really vital to have up-to-date information.
But not knowing anybody was really daunting. So but honestly, when you come here, it is such a warming community that everyone just gets along, and the tutors help so much with helping you bond with everybody. And I mean, yeah, like it's really nothing to worry about. It's an amazing community.
I was really nervous before coming. I was really shy. I was really didn't really have many friends, and then when I came to college, the teachers really helped. But I think our class as well, we all got along really well, which really helped the whole group just become closer. And now we're all really good friends.
Well, I hope you've enjoyed your introduction to life at Lewes College studying travel and tourism. We look forward to hopefully meeting you in the future. If you'd like any more information, please visit the website. It's www.escg.ac.uk. Thank you.